Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. We decided to take a second method using problem 5. In this case, instead of elimination, we are looking at now using substitution. So in this case, again, why don't you try this using substitution and compare what you did to what I'm about to present. So in using substitution, in this case, we chose to use the second equation to get the y by itself. So in this case, we had to add 2x to both sides. So when we do that, on the left side, the 2x's cancel, and now the negative y comes straight down, and the 2x plus the 3 come down. Now because that y is being multiplied by negative 1, we have to divide each term by negative 1. So negative y divided by negative 1, 2x divided by negative 1, 3 divided by negative 1. So we get y equals negative 2x minus 3. So we're there. Now looking at the first equation. So in this case, we took that second equation when we got the y by itself, and now in place of that y, we substitute negative 2x minus 3 in its place. So there we go. So here goes our substitution. Now everything here, the negative 2x and the negative 3, has to be multiplied by that 2. So I have 5x plus 2 times negative 2x minus 3 is equal to 6. So now using the distributive property, so that 2 has to multiply the negative 2x and the negative 3. So when we multiply, let's see what it is that we end up getting. So in this case, we end up getting negative 4x. We get negative 6. Now as we can see here, we have like terms. We have 5x minus 4x. So we combine those. So in this case, 5x minus 4x is x, and we are left with x minus 6. So here we have to add 6 to both sides. When we do that, we get that x is equal to 12. So now what we're going to do, we're going to take that value of x and substitute it into the equation negative 2x minus y is equal to 3. So as you can see here, in place of x, we substituted the 12. So negative 2 times 12, well, that gives me negative 24. That negative y comes down, the 3 comes down. And now, in this case, we know we need to get the y, that negative y, by itself. So we have to add 24 to both sides of the equation. And now in this case, the 24's on the left side cancel. And now the negative y comes down on the left side. 24 plus 3, well, that gives us 27. But now I have negative y equals 27. So now I need to divide each term by negative 1. So now we have that y is again equal to negative 27. And the point of intersection of those two equations is again 12 minus 27. Ladies and gentlemen, have an outstanding day. This is your teacher and instructor, Mr. Joshua Davis. Have a fantastic day.